guys, so welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Helen of Troy. Coach Minino here. She's back. Already know. Today's actually Sunday and this is my meal prep days. And me and my best friend, if you know, you guys should know Mimi, but you guys haven't seen her yet in the vlogs. But she is here in Florida and we did a booty king workout today. It was less intense than last week, but I look all oily and stuff, so I'm probably gonna wash my face and get back to you guys because I need to refresh a little bit. I'm gonna cook today, so that's why I said Coach Minino is here today. So make sure you follow my Instagram. And I'm gonna be making a chickpea bowl. It's called Crispy Barbecue Chickpeas Grain Bowl from Make It Dairy Free. And if you guys know, you know, their food is good. If you haven't tried it, you should try their recipes. And I found them on YouTube. This is what I'm gonna be making. I have all the ingredients here, and it's like a quick and easy meal prep, and also has a lot of protein. So you guys are gonna be cooking with me, and I'm gonna be making like a serving of 10. So, oh, forgot the vegetable stock. Oh no. I don't really need it for the quinoa, but I can make my own vegetable stock, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use like stock powder, and then boil the water, and then boil the quinoa in there after, or cook the quinoa in there after. So let's get right into it. It's a vibe there. All right, so we're gonna start off by. So I'm gonna start off with roasting the corn, so it can already be cooked, because the cabbage is gonna be pickled, so that has to sit for about like 2 hours. The mayo is gonna be probably like the quickest thing I'm gonna do, and the chickpeas, I do have canned chickpeas and dry chickpeas, and the dry chickpeas have to soak in water so they can, you know, kind of like bloom. And then that's gonna be like the last part I'm gonna be cooking. You guys are probably wondering why I'm cooking with an apron. That's because while the chickpeas are still getting like, you know, while they're still growing, this is gonna be sitting there, and the only thing that's gonna be prepped really is like the mayo, the corn, and which I have to check on because it's looking like it's about to make popcorn. Be right back.
That is stuff.
This is enough. Maybe I need a bigger bowl, so I'm gonna switch this out so it could evenly have like, you know, the liquid distributed, and I might add some more cabbage in there because I feel like it needs more.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play.
Like eventually, once it starts pickling, in like about an hour, I'm gonna bring whatever's at the bottom to the top. Because I don't know how they did it jarred, and I thought I had jars. I'm probably gonna put this in the fridge though. So now we gotta make the ranch.
Right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you.
For this, the weed. I could have used fresh chives, but I was going by the recipe. This is not completely dry. We're gonna go in with the parsley.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My
And it's supposed to be crispy, so I'm trying to char it up. Alright, so it's a little messy, but I'll show you guys the meal prep ones. I just wanted to try some of it. The cabbage is not ready though. I don't want to eat, and I need to feed the games. So I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow when I show you the meal preps. So this is what they're looking like, guys. The chickpeas that are on top are the ones that I had to boil so that they can not be, the dry chickpeas, because the canned chickpeas do look a little bit different. But I think these are going to be better because they're crispier. And then I added the pickled cabbage because it was ready. And then this is the ranch. And the avocado gets plated because this stuff is not supposed to be cold. Your girl was so hungry, guys, that she forgot to do the outro. But make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more cooking videos like this. And I'll be sure to bring Coach Menino back to the channel.